Hi friends, welcome to the Telugu Computer Nerds. So in this video, I will explain how to list the products in Shopify in manually. So please watch the video. So in these products, I already created some products, but I can show an example for this one. So once you go to this Shopify platform, you can click on the products, and once you click on the products, you can add the product. So this is manually entering the products. So you can create the title. So I will shows girls shoe. So there is no particular format for this one for the title. So you can create girls shoes, and if you want to write the description, you can write it, or other else Shopify provides one chat GPT type. So if you click on you type a girls shoes description, so you can select this one, tone of voice, expert or advanced, darling, playful. So you want to select this one. So I can select this expert level. And if you want some emojis, like in place of emojis, you can choose this one. Okay, but I didn't choose anyone. Just I generate the description. So it will goes to suggest. See here, the Shopify platform generates the product description. So if you okay with that, you can keep it. Okay. After that, you can go to the media, upload images. So I will upload the images. So if you have more number of images, you can upload. I have only one image, so that's why I am placing one image only. And next day you want to price, you can choose the price. So I can add that 250, and compare at price is MRP and price is selling price. So cost per item, it is different from the taxation. Okay. And you may shop location, so you can continue selling when out of stock. So if you put it 50 or 40 quantity, if the 40 quantity is out of the stock, sorry, if the 40 is over for this inventory, you will goes the your sales will continue if the uh, person will buy the products. Okay, there is, don't worry about that. Oh, 40 stock is there out of the once the 40 is over, you can continue with that one. Okay. And next you can choose the weight. So I can choose that weight in grams. So select India, and if you have variants, just you can add the variants. So I can add the size variant, small, medium, large. So once you done with that, okay, so here search engine listing. So see, when I we are typing that title and description, it will goes to this one. So you can edit this one. So girls shoes, like what type of girls shoes. So you can add hyphen and sneakers. Okay, the title will be goes to very good looking. So if you want a meta description, will it will be very less. You want to you should maintain a meta description, will it will be very less, because the search engine page will be goes to high search engines. So that is why we are deleting this one. And next you can go with the status active, and the sales channel will be online store and point of sale, and markets India and international. So product type shoe, you can choose that one. And a vendor, Dhruva store. So here there are collections, but I don't want to create the collection. So next I will improve, I will explain. So if you have any tags like shoe, kids shoe, girls shoe, So this is I created a one product listing. So once you save it on, you can save it here and there also. So the product created. See, uh, if you have variant images in different types of variant images, you can add it. So I don't have any variation types of images. That's why I don't add these images. See here, here the plus symbol is there. You can add a same image also. There is no problem for that one. If you have different types of in case color variation shoes is there, then you can apply that one. Okay, see, so once you can save it on and product view type, you can preview that one. So it will so here see, Dhruva store, girls shoes. So the product description also there, and whatever I created the listing is there. So just you can go with back. See here, I created a lot of products in Shopify. So this is how to create the product listing by manually. I hope you understand this one. And next we are going to create the collections. So what is the collections and what is the use of the collections? So in products, there is collections products below. So I created already the some collections, but I deleted this one. See how I created the collection. So basically the collection means you have to improve a lot of products to link that one product only. So if I created this one, see, let's see, I want to create one collection. So there is only shoe. So whichever the products shoes is there, I can add in that shoes there is kids type and men's, women's. There are different types of collections. So one shoe under the category there is women, girls, kids, men's, boys. So these are under comes to one category. So that is I created the title as shoe, and you can click collection type of manual, and you can add this image in right side. So I can add this one image for the showing to this one. Okay, and next, if you have any description type, you can choose that one. So I don't have any description type. So just I created this collection. Once you click on the save, it will be created. See, it will redirects to another page. Okay, shoe, I created the shoe, and you get this type of products browse. So just you can choose this one. So you can link the products whatever you want to show this for one shoe, it will goes to another shoes. So I can choose men's shoe and women's shoe, girls shoe and kids shoe. Okay, so I have four products. If click a shoe, if the shoe click once, it the four products will be shows to them. Okay, once you can add this one. See here, there is only shoe type. In shoe type there is girls, kids, women's, men's shoe. So I can link these products for this one. You can choose how to, it's manually, or other else you can choose the price variant, price type. So whatever you want to choose this one, but I can select this best selling. Okay, so once you can view this one. So here the shoes, these types of shoes there. Okay, so I can save it already. So once I can go with the online store, it's okay. view online. So here it is my page. We can link this one. Mhm. You can go online store, customize. Once you go to the customize, see here I already I deleted one collection. So again I created the collection, and you can add these collections. See here, collection list. You can create the collection list. Okay, for this one I can use this one, change collection, shoe. So I created the shoe collection. So just you can click on the shoe, it will be selected, and click on the save, it will be saved. Okay, next you can go this one for web page. See here the shoe will be connected. So you click on this one, it will goes to whatever the products linked in that case, it will be shows like this one. So I added some duplicates because I don't have any images, but you can show, you can see the titles: girls shoe, kids shoe, girls shoe, women's shoe, and men's shoe. So this is how to create the collection, and how to link the banner also. So I hope you understand this class. Thank you for watching.